Hello everybody. In one of the last videos we learned about aggregate functions. We learned that the aggregate functions are also known as group functions, and they're also known as set functions for the reason that they can group data. They group data according to a certain criteria that has to be defined by the user, or if no criteria is described, then they'll treat the whole table as one group, showing the result in one row. We are connected to the database as user HR, and this schema has a number of tables. One of these tables is employees, and let me show you all data from this table once again, and I'll run this statement, and this is the data. This is the whole data from this table, 107 rows and a number of columns. We also learned in that video that you can group data according to a criteria, and most frequently you can use a column that has a value repeated in it. For example, this column has a number of repeated values. 90 has been repeated several times, 60 has been repeated several times. You can group data according to department ID by using group by function. Let me pin this result, and let me show you once again. Select sum salary, which is the name of the column here, from employees. So if you don't group this, the function will treat the whole table as one group, and it will return one row as a result. Let me pin this as well. So you have two results here. You can also use group by department underscore ID. We learned that in last video, and I just want to show you the department ID as well. That will make more sense. And if you run this statement, your data has been grouped according to the department ID. Just wanted to show you how to use an aggregate function with where clause. So we'll say select sum salary from employees where department ID is equal to 90. So it will show you one row only. Okay, so the total sum of salaries for department 90 is $58,000. You can change this. You can say department number 20, and it will show you the sum of all salaries for department number 20. If